This year for my birthday, I decided to stay at the Seagate Hotel in Delray Beach, Florida. They were under construction doing renovations, but it was absolutely gorgeous. When I first got off the elevator, I was a little overwhelmed because there were so many rooms in the hallway, and I was just like, what the heck? But made it to my room, loved how everything was set up, loved the fact that I had different light options. Everything was great, loved the continuous separation. You see here, the bathtub, you were actually able to see right through the rest of the room while relaxing in the hot tub, which of course you know your girl definitely did. And yeah, everything was so clean, so perfect. I had no issues once arriving. You see here, the linen looks good. Everything was great. And I absolutely loved my balcony. It opened up both sides, no issues. The view was amazing. Of course, the Sunshine State, you're gonna have you some great palm trees. Absolutely enjoyed my view. Couldn't complain about anything, guys. And again, this is the Seagate Hotel in Delray Beach, Florida. I decided to do a staycation for my birthday this year. I wanted to do something different, and spending the time alone in this hotel was just what I needed. They provided little things, little cute things. You see here, they got your girl some chocolate. Can't go wrong with some chocolate. And they gave me something to soak in my bathtub with a scrubber. And like I told you, I definitely hopped in that hot tub. So as you see there, everything looks good. I decided to get a mushroom pasta for my in-room dining, and a little dessert to top off my night for the birthday. And I absolutely loved my view at night. Bye, guys.